Hey everybody. These next couple of videos that I have up on the blog here, another thing that we just kind of did for fun. This is, as you know, 4th of July weekend, and Chris is one of the moderators on Eagle World, you know him as Big X 2021. He and I went to the fireworks nearby, and he decided it was smart to go out to Pennsylvania and buy like $70 worth of fireworks for himself. So afterwards, we went back to his house, went out into his backyard, and set all this crap off. I have about 30 minutes of video of this, and I had to share it. Basically, I'm not really making anything special of it, and some of the videos are in like portrait, like not landscape orientation, so they're kind of cropped too much and everything, but it's the best I could do, really. I'm not doing any fancy transitions or any of that crap. I'm just playing the videos because they're honestly they're pretty much crap, but it's some of the stuff we say in there is funny. Some of the fireworks look pretty cool, so I figured it'd be worth sharing it. So have fun.
Recording, go. Get your ass back here. That one snap at the end is so worth it.
Did you see that bat fly by like all freaked out?
That was awesome. This is what we're lighting up. There's Chris over there. Alright, ready when you are. You got light? Yep. Go for it. Dude.
Did you hear the stick hit the ground?
Yes, that's so awesome. Alright, this is the next one up. It's another bottle rocket with 2 reports at the end. Geez, already? Dude! Whoa, whoa! Dude! See, that's what you get for doing it before I was ready. That's what you get.
Science.
Science, we has it. Yeah, we were done with trying to be safe. I don't know if you could see that, but we took a whole bunch of citronella fluid and stuck it inside an empty aluminum can, and we got the whole jet engine effect going on in there. What we're going to do over here... Where's the stupid flashlight?
It's not stupid.
Well, okay, get the stupid flashlight. There we go. Instead of wasting matches, here's our new lighter. I don't believe we're doing this. Yeah, now we're using a tiki torch.
Cape Canaveral is now complete.
Yeah, this is Cape Canaveral. Just
an old potato gun.
Yeah, an old potato gun.
A lawn chair.
And a tiki torch. And a tiki torch. If you look down there, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can position this just right.
It's still smoking down there.
Yeah, look at that smoke down there. That's awesome. That's just not going away. So that's our setup now for the rest of tonight. Alright, so testing the new Cape Canaveral system. Chris has got the bottle rocket. Okay, dude, don't be a dick. Okay. Drop it in.
Okay.
Go! Nice. Cape Canaveral my ass. Alright. Alright, here's the next one. This is the worst name for a Roman candle ever. The Proud America Candle. That just reeks of Chinese naming, doesn't it? Alright. Alright, Chris, go for it. In Cape Canaveral it goes. Nice.
That was 10, right?
Yeah, that was 10.
All right.
Awesome. All right, one more of these Roman candles. Yeah, they can't see the stupid pose you're making, Chris. Oh, it's not going in all the way. Holy shit. What? Dude, this is a different one.
You must have fallen with the other batch. These are more fun.
These are more Proud America candle.
Well, maybe they mix those in.
Dude, that was awesome.
That was great.
That was much better than the other one. The other one was crap. That was 10, right?
Yeah, I think that was 10.
Let's hope it was 10.
We'll give it a minute.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
All right, we'll give Cape Canaveral a minute to calm down before we get our ass over there. That was awesome. All right, Cape Canaveral is recalibrated and emptied. These are just simple bottle rockets. Dude, that was loud as hell.
Oh, it's got like a little firecracker at the end.
Let me see these things. Oh, these things, right? The little tiny ones. Yeah. Okay. Dude, do another one. Got your tiki torch. Nice. Damn it, you can't see it though. Not good for video.
That was my choice method of a launch.
Yeah. Here's Chris, by the way.
It's a light and throw.
Hi.
How's it going? That exploded like at the end of their backyard.
I know.
From now on, we're using the tube.
Okay, you know what? If you want to get the cops called on you, you're doing it right. One more of these. Come on. In there. Come on. Whoa. Holy shit.
I had to think fast.
Dude.
I couldn't get it in the pipe.
Dude. Your hand like almost became one with its bottle rocket. Get it in there.
Perfectly straight.
Nice. I can barely see it though.
That blew up above the tulip tree, and that thing's over 100 feet.
That's awesome. Dude, those are the smallest rockets we have.
Yep.
They're the loudest. They're louder than the Roman candles. Oh my god. Wait. Oh shit. Did you see that thing? It took off like... I don't like your... Oh my god. Dude. Holy shit. You are just toying with death.
These things can't kill.
I love this. You can't...
That's why God gave me 2 eyes.
Oh my god. Hey, I got that one on the video. That was good. Are you having fun, by the way?
Yes.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god. I hope they saw that. That thing took off at like 100 miles an hour. You gotta wait for the camera kit. This is Big X, by the way, for those of you that want to know. Oh my god, dude! Shit.
Now it's going up normal.
Okay. Nice.
And the last one.
Okay, last one of these. Dude! Wow. Oh my god.
Alright, let's take a break.
Yeah, break time for the win. Back to the campfire with you. Yeah, we got... That's for the next video.
Yes.
Alright, good stuff.